Hello everyone, welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Jax11 Diypc case by Diypc. It's around $40, gets 4 out of 5 eggs on newegg.com. Nice little case for the money. It's got your usual ports, USB 3, USB 2, and headphones and microphones, along with the CD drive. Nice little built-in white fan that comes with it. The option of 2 more fans up front. And it claims you can put a fan on the top, but there's no holes or anything up there, so I don't know what it's talking about. Nice pretty little case. And this is the computer I'm going to be switching it over into, or from this Vivo case into the Jax. Not really any reason, except I wanted another white case. Swap everything out. There's all the parts, as you can see. Got my Diypc case, of course. Ryzen 3 1200 processor with the stock cooler. It's a Gigabyte 350M motherboard. 16 gigabytes of ADATA memory, 3000 megahertz. And an MSI RX 570 8 gigabyte, 120 gigabyte HP SSD. As long as a 1 terabyte WD Blue hard drive, and of course the Corsair 450 watt PSU and 2 AIGO Halo Ring white light fans. And this was a little bit taller case than my old one, so the cable management was a lot easier. Barely had to do anything at all to get everything out of the way and whatnot. Get the lid back up, or the side of the case back on everything. There's a lot of room between the hard drive bay and the back of the PSU. And there you have it. Nice little blue and red lights up front. Just a little shot of the microwave in the background. Your white light fans. Yeah. This whole build only cost around $515 when I add everything up. Well, what I paid was $37 for the case, $85 for the Ryzen 3 1200, $48 for the motherboard on eBay, $115 for the RAM, also on eBay and Newegg, I think, $105 for the RX 570, $22 for the HP 120 gigabyte SSD, $39 for the hard drive, the mechanical 1 terabyte, $45 for the Corsair 450 watt PSU, and $19 for the so I got two fans? Yeah, 2 AIGO Ego, I don't know how to say it, 120mm Halo Ring fans. And that was it for this build, guys. Thanks for watching, and stop by now for another one next week probably. Alright, peace out, guys. Thanks.